Good morning. What a morning. What a morning. Today is April 27th, 9:25 a.m. Just 5 minutes before the market start. We have an exciting morning. This is CEO Trades where money works for you. And we are here to talk to you about your market updates. First of all, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has made a move. Made a move. It is 55,000 right now. I'm glad that it's coming out from its $47,000 low. This is normal. These crypto coins will have major swings, and chances are that when you jump in, you'll probably catch it as it's going down. But eventually, if you stick to it, if you have patience, you're going to make some returns. Here's Ethereum. Ethereum has a similar move, and you can see it's almost at its high. That's the similar move that it went from its low down at 2100 or so, and it's almost at its high 2637. It was there about 4 days ago, and it's ready to go beyond that. I'm expecting Ethereum to make some huge moves from here through the summer and actually through December. Through December, there are some people who wanted to go up to at least 20,000. Boy, let's keep it going. Sounds like a master plan. Now, some Bitcoin crypto plays that are in the stock market that I'd like to show you is Marathon Digital Holdings. You see, it's at its low at $27. Now it's at $35 a share. Well, you can see the high was about 2 to 3 weeks ago, was at 58. I'd say this is a good time to invest some money in this one, in Marathon, as well as Riot. Riot is also on a similar path. This one's at $41 a share, as Marathon is at $35 a share. You have an option there. You can go on as you please. Now, let's just take a look at a few more stocks, and then we'll look at some crypto very quickly here. Now, Turks, I entered at $20 a share. I'm down $1,000, and this one will make a move in the next week or two. It will make a move. It will get back to where it should be, and it should land somewhere in the 25 to 30ish range. And that's a good plan for the interim for the next week or two. JetBlue is released last week that it has 7 new destinations, one of them being Vancouver, and a lot of the other destinations being in South America. And that's has this stock on an uptrend. We're also waiting for it to release its flights to London. We can't wait. We're excited for that. Plug, I'm down. I'm down a lot. I'm down $9,000. However, it's coming out of its shell, and it's on a path of increasing. It had I believe 10% gains yesterday, and there's good news, so it's bullish. And you can see that the right here it says Benzinga's bulls and bears. Plug is on the bull side, so we're expecting this to make a move. American Airlines, wow, it dropped just a little bit. Don't think that this is a huge drop. It's not a huge drop. It's 20 cent, 18 cent drop, and it will get back on. American Airlines working together with JetBlue on certain destinations. V-Ray, I've alerted this since last week. It's up 25%, 30% now. It still has a ways to go because it's rated at $7 a share. And Neo as well. It was at 38, I believe, a few days ago, and look where it's at now. It's at 42.92, almost $43. You can see it was at 36 right here. This was back on the 20th of April, and in 6 7 days, it has made a move, at least what 30% move. That's right, just about 25 to 30% move. So it's very good for any of you who caught this when I gave it out. So let's take a look at one of my other software. I like to share my screen so that you can see some of the coins in the market. Here's Dogecoin. I like this move right now. You see it has been consolidating straight through. It's not much of a move, and this consolidation usually points to a breakout, and a lot of us are expecting this to go into the 50-cent range, if not to $1. So we'd like it, Dogecoin, to go to the moon. Yeah, why not? Let's take a look at Ethereum again, but on this software. And you can see Ethereum has had a mild uptrend, but it's on a consolidating path as well. And as it reaches its high to where it's 2,600, it should burst out. We are expecting this by the summer to go to hopefully 5 or 6K. Could be wrong, but this is where we'd like it to go. And then Bitcoin. Bitcoin right here. You can see it better. So it's also a very similar move to Ethereum, and it's up to 56,000 this morning. Fabulous, fabulous. It should keep going. It should keep going, and that's a very, very good sign. I'd like to show you some of the newer stocks that I'm researching, but I don't know. Let's see if I can get you to share this screen because I'm running out of time. I'd like to keep these to a minimum in reference to time, and I don't want to keep people on here forever because then they have too much information to go on. That's right. Yep. That's how we all operate. Okay. All right. Just opening up right here. Looking at BAT, BAT. BAT is the coin for the Brave Explorer. I don't know if any of you have had a chance to use that Explorer. I use it heavily, and I believe in it heavily. And it is now valued at $1.24. $1.24, and I believe it's a really good time to buy. It's not completely at the bottom, and it's not completely at the top. The top, I believe, was $1.55. We can look at it. Let's see right here. I believe it was 155, 161 or so. That was the high, and it had a drop, and now it's gaining some. I'd say it's a very good time to buy. Safe Moon is my long-term investment, and Safe Moon, whoops, missed out right here. Let's see right here, Safe Moon. Safe Moon is a long-term investment. I put $100 in it, and I'm going to put in more in the coming week. I believe that you can invest on some smaller trends and hope that they have plenty of gains so that you'd be able to uh, make multiplied returns in the next couple of years, because this is not an overnight return. My amounts are up. I believe I'm up threefold on Safe Moon, and I'm also up on another stock, BSX. I believe it's what it is. Whoops. Don't know why this software just, when I make a move, it completely blanks out. BSX, is that what it is? If not, let me look it up under my account because I don't remember the name. And assets, here we go. It's coming up. All right. So under my account, I have in BMX. BMX is good. It's doubled as well, and BMX is the coin that is being offered in Bitmart, and I believe it's theirs. BSP, BSP. Look, I'm up about threefold on BSP. Let's go back to the chart so you can see it. BSP, and it looks like a bull, and that's why I got into it first. And then as I noticed this stock, I didn't expect it to make that much of a move that quickly, but look at that. Look, it's shot straight up, and it's pretty much, I believe, at its highs, if not close to it. And I believe this one will keep going. This is a very good investment, and it's for the long term. I could cash in right now, but I'm not going to get a lot. So that's it for today. This is CeoTrades signing off. Where money works for you, make sure that you invest in your knowledge account, because everything else will get multiplied if you're able to invest in your brain. Have a good one.